conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for Wadena County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from near Badura to Oiland to near Verndale, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Verndale, Staples Airport, Huntersville, Nimrod, Aldridge, Bluegrass, and Oiland. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 423, effective until